Our math lesson for today. This is lesson 5.11, pairs for 9. I would also like to add at the beginning of this video, please do not forget to practice counting to 100 by ones, counting by fives to 100, and counting by tens to 100, because when we come back, we are going to really hit on this 100 Club. And Miss Crystal and I are going to have a wall out in the hallway with everyone's pictures that can do all those things. So please do not forget to practice. And I know that it's been a while for some of you, but we're really going to start our 100 Club hardcore when we get back to school. Okay, so today's lesson is lesson 5.11, number pairs for 9.
How can you model and write addition sentences for number pairs for sums of 9?
Howdy! Charlie just told me that a zookeeper left this bucket of stones here. There are 9 stones in the bucket.
How many stones are in the bucket? Yes, 9.
The chicken coop is a strange place for a bucket of stones. Click the bucket to move it. Oops! The bucket tipped over. There were 9 stones in the bucket, and 7 of the stones just spilled out. I wonder how we can figure out how many stones are still in the bucket. Let's learn more about number pairs for 9 to find out.
Okay, everyone, so if there were 9 stones in the bucket, now the bucket fell over and some of the stones fell out. So we see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stones laying on the ground. So if we have 7 stones laying on the ground and there's a total of 9, we can say 7, 8, 9. So how many are back in the bucket? If you answered 2, you are correct, because 7 plus 2 equals 9.
Ari has a 9-cube train. Some cubes are blue and some are red. Let's see how many blue cubes and how many red cubes Ari has. Click to count the blue cubes.
Okay, so we're going to start off with counting the blue cubes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ari has 7 blue cubes. Let's see how many red cubes Ari has. Click to count the red cubes.
So how many red cubes do you think that she has to make 9? All right, let's see if you're correct.
1, 2. Ari has 2 red cubes.
Okay, there should be 2 red cubes here, and I'm not
Ari
sure why
used
they're
the
not
number
there.
pair 7 and 2 to make 9. Let's read the addition sentence that shows this number pair for 9. 9 cubes is equal to 7 cubes plus 2 cubes.
And there should be a 2 there, so this should say 9 equals 7 plus 2. Not really for sure why that's not working. I apologize for that.
Rose has a 9-cube train with 3 red cubes and 6 blue cubes. Drag 3 red cubes to the cube train to show Rose's red cubes.
So and she said drag 3, so count with me. 1, 2, 3. So I've put 3 red cubes, so I'm going to click check.
Good job! You put 3 red cubes on Rose's cube train. Now drag 6 blue cubes to the cube train to show Rose's blue cubes.
1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we're going to click check.
Good job! You put 6 blue cubes on Rose's cube train. Let's complete the addition sentence to show this number pair for 9. How many red cubes are in Rose's cube train? Select the number that shows how many red cubes Rose has.
How many red cubes? There are 3. Good job.
Good job! Rose has 3 red cubes. Now, how many blue cubes are in Rose's cube train? Select the number that shows how many blue cubes Rose has.
And our video is acting crazy today. There's supposed to be 2 more cubes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there should be 6. Okay, I'm not. Okay, I'm going to click the 5. That is not correct.
That's
it's supposed
not
to be
it.
6.
Rose has 6 blue
There we
cubes.
go.
9 cubes is equal to 3 red cubes plus 6 blue cubes. Now let's practice with
All right, hang on just a minute. Let me get to the personal math trainer video.
now let
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Math Busters. Let's welcome today's contestant, Mrs. Sandoval.
Hi, Jeannie. It's great to be here.
Oh, it's so great to have you.
Thanks.
Now remember that if you answer the question correctly, you will win the star prize. Are you ready to bust some math?
I'm ready.
Well then, bust it!
Write the number pairs for 9. How can you know which number pairs you have used and which you have not used?
Can she do it?
Let's use connecting cubes. So we have 9 connecting cubes. Now I'm going to use blue and red. Okay.
Okay.
For the first one, we have 9 blue connecting cubes here.
Yes.
Now I'm going to use the number 0 for no red connecting cubes. We don't have any.
That's right.
Therefore, our first number pairs is 0 and 9. 0 plus 9.
First number pairs, 9 and 0.
Okay, next, what if we replace one of the blue cubes with a red cube? We still have the same number of cubes, still 9.
Look at that.
But now we have 1 red cube plus 8 blue cubes. That's still 9, right?
Yes, it is.
Different number pairs, though. Next, let's replace 2 of the blue cubes with 2 red cubes. Therefore, we have 2 red cubes plus 7 blue cubes.
Yes.
Still 9.
Look at her go, ladies and gentlemen.
Next, let's replace 3 of the blue cubes with 3 red cubes. Now we have 3 red cubes plus 6 blue cubes. Still 9. That's another number pairs.
Yes, it is.
All right. And you know, Jeannie, it's a good idea to figure out some kind of system to write the rest of the number pairs without using connecting cubes.
Ooh, she's busting away.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Notice that the first number, so see how we have a 1 here?
Yes, we do.
Okay, this one's one more than 0. You see
Yes,
that?
it is. Yes, it is.
And this 2 is one more than 1.
Oh.
Do you
oh.
see? Do you see what's going
what
on?
she's doing? Do you see
And
it?
this 3 is one more than 2.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's take a look at the second number. Well, this 8 is one less than 9. This 7 is one less than 8. And this 6 is one less than 7. So what is the next number pair? Well, we know that we should have one more than 3.
Mm-hmm.
What's one more than 3?
It's 4. Oh,
4. Great.
I'm giving you the answer.
And what's one less than 6?
5. Oh, I did it again.
5. So you just got the next number pair without having to draw all your connecting cubes.
Look at that.
Ready? Okay, so we, again, remember, the next number has to be one more than 4.
Mhm.
Okay? But the
What do you
second...
think? What do you think?
Well, if you said 5 plus 4, you are correct. 5 is one more than 4, but 4 is one less than 5. What are the remaining number pairs? Well, let's take a look at them. So each time we have one more, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on this side, we have one less, 3, 2, 1, 0. So hopefully you came up with the rest of the number pairs. Now, Jeannie, how do we know we're done?
I'm not sure.
Well, let's take a look at the numbers. How many connecting cubes do we have?
9.
Yeah, we only have 9. So can I have one more than 9?
No.
No, that would make 10, and I don't have 10 connecting
We
cubes.
don't have 10.
And let's look at 0. Remember, the next one has to be one less than 0. Can you have one less than 0?
No, you cannot.
No, because remember, 0 means no
Nothing.
connecting cubes. Right, nothing.
Oh, she's
And we're
busting
done.
away.
We're done. That's it.
We're done.
We listed all the number pairs.
Congratulations! You have won a box of water. That's all we have time for, folks.
See you next time and join us for some more fun with math.
All right, everyone. So now we're going to start our worksheet. Okay, so you're going to need worksheet 5.11, number pairs for 9. So our essential question for this sheet is, how can you model and write addition sentences for number pairs of 9? So everybody go ahead and get your worksheet ready, and you're going to need a blue crayon and a red crayon and a pencil. So make sure that you have those supplies. If you do not, go ahead and pause this video so that you can go collect your things. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, everybody. Listen carefully as I read the following problem aloud. Ari made a 9-cube train. Some cubes are red and some are blue. How many blue cubes and how many red cubes could we have? So let's look down first at our addition sentence. So it says 9. So we know that we're going to have 9 cubes in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it says some cubes are red and some are blue. So I'm going to use the cubes and everybody follow along with me. Okay, so 9, I'm going to go ahead and trace my equal sign. Equals, what number is this, everybody? This is the number 8. Good job. So that tells us how many cubes we're going to have of the first color. So our first color is going to be red, so we're going to have 8 red cubes. So there's 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 red cubes. Now, so if we have 8 red cubes, how many blue cubes do we need to have to make 9? Yes, we need 1 blue cube. So everybody trace the 1. and Miss Janelle's going to add 1 blue cube. So we have 8 red and 1 blue. Now we're going to count all the cubes and find out how many we have all together. Starting with the first cube, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 equals 8 plus 1. Everybody read that addition sentence with me. Ready, set, read. 9 equals 8 plus 1. Good job. So now what you're going to do is we're going to color the cube train to match our problem. So how many red cubes are we going to color? Yes, 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and how many cubes are we going to color blue? Yes, 1. So with your blue crayon, you're going to color 1 cube blue. Okay, if you need to pause this video to catch up, then you may, or you can go along with me to the next page. All right, flip your page over to the other side. All right, on the other side, it says use 2 colors of cubes to make a cube train to show number pairs that make 9. Okay, so the first one says 9 equals 1 plus 8. So the first number is going to tell us how many red cubes that we're going to have. How many red cubes will we have this time? Yes, 1. So we're going to have 1 red cube. And then this number tells us how many blue. How many blue? Yes, 8. So let's add those to our train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, everyone. So we have 1 red cube plus 8 blue cubes equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. All right, now let's go down to number 2. We're going to try it a different way. So this time, Miss Janelle is going to do this. Okay, so now we're going to write our addition problem, okay? So we've got 9, trace your equals. How many red cubes do we have? Yes, 2. So in the first blank, you're going to write 2, trace your plus. Now we're going to count the blue cubes. Count with me, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this blank, you're going to write the number 7. So if we have 2 red cubes plus 7 blue, let's count and see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our addition sentence will be 9 equals 2 plus 7. All right, let's go on to the next one. Okay, Miss Chanel's going to change it up. All right. Now, here's our new problem for number 3. Trace your equals. How many red do you see? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So in this first blank, you're going to write the number 3. Trace your plus. Now, the number of blue goes over here. Let's count the blue. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this blank, you're going to write the number 6 because we have 3 red, and 6 blue. So now we're going to count all of the cubes to see what 3 plus 6 equals. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So repeat with or read this addition sentence with me. Ready, set, go. 9 equals 3 plus 6. Very, very good. All right, I'm going to change our cubes up one more time. All right, we're going to do this one together. All right, so we've got 9. Trace your equals. Now remember, this first blank is how many red. Count your red. How many red were there? Yes, there are 4, so you should write the number 4. Trace your plus sign. Now, this blank right here is going to be how many blue. Let's count our blue. Ready, set, go. Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should write the number 5. Okay? So if we have 4 red plus 5 blue, we have how many all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our addition sentence is 9 equals 4 plus 5. Awesome. All right, let's flip your paper over to the, actually, we're not flipping it over. We're going to go on to our next sheet. Okay, so on this side, we're going to continue to do this, but I am just going to put the cubes up at top, and I want you to fill in the numbers by yourself, okay? So for number 5, here we go. Okay, so this is your cubes for number 5. I want you to do this one by yourself. First, this side right here is going to be how many red cubes. And this blank right here is going to be how many blue cubes. So let's count the red cubes first. Okay, write that number here. Trace your plus. Now this is going to be your blue. Count your blue. Now write that number there. All right, let's go back and see if you were correct. In the first blank where you wrote the red, you should have wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, don't forget to trace that equal. Trace your plus. Now this is the blue. Let's count the blue. Yes, you should have wrote the number 4. So this addition sentence says 9 equals 5 plus 4. So if you wrote any different numbers there, you can go back and erase and fix it. Now for 6, 7, and 8, you're going to do it by yourself. I'm going to put the cubes up at the top, and you're going to put the red cubes here and the number of blue cubes in the second blank. And you're going to do that for each one of them. I'm going to go ahead and mark them on your paper so that you know. Okay, so here is the next one. And as you can see, we're following a pattern with our numbers. Okay, here is number 6. The red cubes first. Okay, write the answer here. Trace your plus. Now this is going to be the number of blue cubes. Ready, set, go. All right, number 7. All right, we're on number 7 with the heart. Trace your equals. All right, this first blank is going to be for the red cubes. Ready, set, count. Okay, you're going to write that number here for the red. Trace your plus. Now you're going to count the blue. And write that number here. All right, now it's time for number 8. And if I'm going a little bit too fast for you, you can pause in between each problem. All right, now here is number 8. 9 equals, all right, first you're going to count your red cubes. Ready, set, count. Okay, so write that number in the first blank. Trace your plus. Now this blank is going to be the number of blue. How many blue? Write that number here. All right, good job. And when we check your papers, we will be checking to see if you wrote the correct numbers on those. Very good. All right, let's flip over to the other side. All right, for number 9 up at top, it says Shelby has 9 friends. None of them are boys. How many are girls? Complete the addition sentence to show the number pair. So, let's draw a picture. We're going to say Shelby has 9 friends. So, I'm going to draw 9 little friends. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use red for girls and blue for boys because those are the crayons that I have laying out right now. That way I don't have to get up and go search for a pink. Okay, so Shelby has 9 friends. None are boys. How many are girls? Okay, so if none of them are boys, we won't color any of them blue, will we? Because none means 0. So I'm going to color all of them red. And if you need to pause this video to draw and color your friends, then that's okay, you may. And you can unpause it when you're finished. Okay, so in this first blank, what we're going to do is we're going to say 9 equals, because Shelby has 9 friends. How many girls does she have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of her friends are girls. And then how many are boys? 0, because 0 means none. So your addition sentence should be 9 equals 9 plus 0. All right, number 10. Draw to show what you know about a different number pair for 9. Complete the addition sentence. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to say there was one blue crayon and 8 red. So I'm going to color 1 blue crayon and then 8 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many crayons are in all? So we've got, let's count the red first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 red crayons, so we're going to write an 8. Trace your plus. And how many blue? 1. Good job. So our addition sentence would be 9 equals 8 plus 1. Okay, if you need to pause this video to catch up, because I know that I drew that really quick, then that is okay. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to do your homework page, and you can ask a parent for help on this. You're going to do kind of the same thing. You're going to have number pairs for 9. So you can just do it in a pattern like we did on the first page. Let me find the first page. But I encourage you to use different numbers, just like this, look. And as you can notice, it's in a pattern. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes backwards, 8, 7, 6, 5. So you're just writing different addition sentences to make 9. Okay, so you're going to do that on your homework page. And then on the back, you're going to complete the back like we always do. And remember, the directions are written down at the bottom. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and comment down below with your initials so that you can be entered into our drawing when we come back to school, and it's going to be an awesome prize. All right, everybody, thank you so much. Do not forget to practice counting to 100 by 1s, 5s, and 10s. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.